Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I've received lots of requests from some youngsters and bachelors asking me to post some simple and homely recipes because they feel that whenever they search for a recipe, all that shows up is dhaba style, restaurant style, rich curries which have too many spices and oil floating on them. So I will be posting on and off some such recipes which we normally eat day to day, because restaurant style recipes can be enjoyed only during the weekends or once in a way. You cannot indulge in them all the time. So today's recipe is one such easy one with baby brinjals. It's called Khatte Meethe Baigan or sweet and tangy aubergines or brinjals, or they are also known as eggplants. So whenever you find these tiny small baby brinjals, you can try out this recipe. It's very easy and can be made in a jiffy. So let's proceed to make the recipe.
Khatte Meethe Baigan, a sweet and tangy brinjal preparation. It's delicious and irresistible. Here is the list of ingredients. The detailed recipe also can be checked at my website. The link is shared in the description box below. Now let's get started. First we are going to give a slit to the brinjals. Give 2 slits this way and keep the stem intact. If the stem portion is longer, you can just cut out the tip. Immerse them in the water to avoid discoloration. While slitting the brinjals, check them thoroughly because sometimes there are worms inside the brinjals. Oops, I think we have to discard this. There was a worm in that. Now, put some salt in the water and set them aside. Meanwhile, make the masala. Grind the onion, garlic, ginger, green chilli and coriander leaves. Add some water and grind them to a paste. I am using frozen coriander leaves. I have already shared the video how to store them, so you can check it out. The link is given in the I box. You can click the I button to check it out. Now this is done. The masala is ready. We'll start the cooking process. First we'll fry the brinjals. We have to half fry them. Once the oil is hot, slide in the brinjals. Before frying them, remove them from the water and dry them on the kitchen towel. Otherwise, they'll splash the oil when you put them into the pan. Now keep turning them so that they get fried evenly. We have to half fry them until they change the color. We'll do this on the medium flame so they also get cooked inside. You can also make the curry without frying the brinjals, but the fried version is always better. So time to time again turn them. You can see they have become little brownish in color. You can now remove them in a plate. Take another pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Heat it a little and reduce the flame. Now first we will add the spices. This is a tip to get out the aroma from the spices, but do this on the low flame so that the spices don't get burnt. Add salt and give it a stir. You can see the bubble formation and there's a lovely aroma in the kitchen. At this stage, add the tomato puree. This tomato puree is homemade. Check out the link in the I button, how to make and store the tomato puree at home. Give it a nice stir and cook until the moisture from the tomato puree dries up. You can see now the oil also has started to separate. Now it's time to add the ground masala paste. Mix them with the spatula and we'll allow the gravy to cook a bit. In between, keep stirring. Add tamarind juice, 2 to 3 tablespoons as much as you like to your taste. Check the salt. Adjust the salt if required. Add little jaggery or sugar. And dip in the fried brinjals. Spoon some gravy on top of them and then place the lid and allow it to simmer. After a minute or so, carefully open and turn the side. And now we will allow the brinjals to cook further on the other side. Cover and simmer again, maybe for half a minute or until done. I opened the lid after half a minute. It's done. The gravy is also dried up, perfect consistency, and the brinjals are cooked very well. They are nice and soft. Ready to serve. We'll dish it out now. Remove them in a serving platter. I'm sure you're all going to love this delicious, spicy, tangy brinjal preparation, especially with rotis. It tastes awesome. My version is milder in spices, especially chillies, because we don't eat very spicy food. You can increase the spice level. Garnish it with few sweet chillies. And the dish is ready to be served. Doesn't it look so tempting? Make it and enjoy and share the feedback when you make. Friends, all those who are new to the channel, do hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. In case you have missed watching them, you can check them out. Have a nice day.